Hello guys, welcome to another cooking class with the Couchsurfer.
Hello, I am Belgin and I'm an avid surfer. I'm going to cook one Turkish dish which is called Hünkar Beğendi for event. And the only thing that we need eggplant, tomato paste, but we couldn't find tomato paste in Norway, so we are going to use tomato puree. And milk, butter, flour, meat, black pepper, and parsley, and 150 milliliter milk.
Hello everyone!
And now I'm going to cut parsley for decoration.
So, Belgin, is your first time in Norway?
Yes,
You like it so far?
a lot.
So tomorrow she's taking the train over to Bergen.
Yeah,
It's supposed to be a really beautiful train ride.
absolutely. I am super excited for this train journey.
So, like on the way, she's stopping in a place called Flom, and from there, take the boat through the fjord
Yes,
to Bergen.
that's right.
It's gonna be nice.
Absolutely. We are putting in the meats.
So, what kind of meat is it?
This is beef meat. We are going to cook this for 5 minutes, and then we are going to put other pepper, onion, tomato puree, and real tomato. Onions and peppers coming down. We are going to use tomato puree instead of paste.
I think it looks delicious. I could like put a spoon in here and just start eating.
This is like a menemen, but it is not menemen. It is going to be Hünkar Beğendi.
Only people from Turkey will understand that.
Yeah.
Brini from Indonesia is the assistant.
I'm the professional of peeling of something.
Mm-hmm. She's gonna peel the eggplants. Ooh, it's starting to smell really good now. Chopping up the eggplant.
Avent has never used eggplant during his cooking.
It's not very common in the Norwegian cuisine, but I had a lot of guests. They use it, but in my cooking, never.
So, I do the most important thing in this.
Yes. Let's see. Now time to add flowers. I couldn't pronounce it.
Don't cut my finger.
Alright, don't worry, I'm not going to cut your finger. Don't worry, I'm not going to
No, but
scratch your pan.
Really?
Little bit. You can believe me. Slowly we are adding milk. Very slowly. Hünkar Beğendi is ready.
Alright, let's try it.
Really? Really?
Oh. It's really good. Really good. If I'm gonna compare it to something I know, we have a dish in Norway called beef stroganoff. Something similar, the taste.
As I told you, I cooked.
What do you think yourself?
I will try it. I like it. Yes.
And while we are cooking here, we are listening to some music. I can't play too much of it because I would be copyrighted. But this is Pink Floyd.
I'm too young to know about
Rini
this.
from Indonesia.
No, really, I'm too young.
Never heard of Pink Floyd.
Yeah, because I'm a young generation. I didn't
It's
hear
nothing
like, this
that's
old
called
band.
too young to have not heard of Pink Floyd.
They're old. They're old.
Probably the best group ever.